How to change Uber driver profile picture. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can update or change your Uber driver profile picture. Now the very first thing that you want to have to do is please do make sure that the application you're using is going to be the updated version of the app. Just go into your Google Play Store and type in Uber driver app and make sure that the application is updated. Now open it up and log in into your Uber account. And then at the lower right, you should be able to see account. Tap on that. And then from here, choose on help, choose on account, and then choose on account settings. Now choose on change writer profile picture. This is the only way for you to be able to change your profile picture because if you head directly straight into account settings on your profile, you won't be able to change it manually. And that's basically it. That is how you change Uber driver profile picture.